Alright, first lesson ready. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show Kiara how to skate. So she has, can you lift your leg up?
Hell no.
Okay, well she has the quad rollerblades and I have the inline rollerblades, and the reason why I have the reason why I have these is because I used to be a professional ice skater. I skated for 18 years. So sorry, not 18 years, I started at 4. I stopped at 18. I was a professional ice skater for 14 years, so I can relate to the inline skates because I like that one blade versus the quad skates. I can skate in the quads, but I just like these better. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this and get started. And she's all the way back there, you see? I couldn't stop. So I made a list of things to tell her, kind of like the basics. So the first thing you want to do is you always want to keep your head up, because when you look down, you're gonna fall down. Like if you look down, your body's gonna automatically try to lean forward and fall down. So always just try to keep your head straight and keep your head up. And then also when you skate forward, you want to keep your hands to the side, because if you turn your hands this way, your body's gonna go this way, and then you're gonna go that way, and then you're gonna fall that way. So unless you're doing a crossover and turning this way, keep your hands down to the side. Yeah. And then so you want to bend your knees, and not only bend your knees, you kind of want to like you're sitting in a seat. So like sit down, squat. Yes. And that's going to be like your position for like pushing up.
Just moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you don't want to do like you're walking, because you're going to look like this skating. Right? When you see people like that. So you want to like transfer your balance. You want to transfer your weight to one side. So like transfer your weight to the left, transfer your weight to the right.
Okay.
With the knees bent, sitting like, and don't walk.
Oh shit.
Okay. And then the last thing is, like when you're going to do your first push off, think about keeping your feet in the V, and then transferring your weight to the right or to the left. See? And then push left to right with the weight, like, and then transfer the weight instead of walking. I think those are the basic things I wanted to tell you, and we're gonna start off with the moves. All right. So our first move is going to be the basic push forward, like side to side.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah. I don't even know what I want no more. Figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. I don't wanna try again.
You need to keep your feet out apart.
Okay, so further apart?
Yeah, you're letting them come in, so they're starting to cross like this.
Okay.
So you want to keep them like apart, and then when you push, think of pushing in a V. When you push in your feet, there you go. Okay. So like lift. So when you take your right step, step like this.
My own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah. I don't even know what I want no more.
When you do that, you want to go around the reverse, or you want to wait to do that? And if you ever feel like you're gonna fall back like that, Just keep the knees bent. There you go. If anything, you want to lean more forward than back.
So then I would fall this way.
Yes. Because if you fall back too much pressure, you'll hit the back of that head.
We ain't got no helmet.
Never to touch it again. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey.
So another way for you to stop besides the little front thing are, so let's say you're skating, and then just open your feet and push out, and it'll slow you down. Okay. Do a couple of pushes, and then if you open, and that'll see if it's slow. Oh, if you want to stop more quickly,
With your ATM, the way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves.
So a crossover is this. Literally just cross your feet up. And that's what people usually do when they go around the curve part.
Big crossover.
Yeah. You don't really do that when you skate forward. It's only when you come across the curve.
Bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key.
And you gotta push this foot like that.
Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Bobby, hey Bobby.
Red?
Because a lot of people that just start skating, they use this little squiggles across the corner.
Yeah.
Like
That's
that.
exactly what I do.
Yeah.
Bobby, hey Bobby.
Let me
Some
show the
twerk?
people how it's done.
Some twerk.
Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't buy. She a caution.
There you go. Okay, Swizzle. Okay, Swizzle. It's uphill, so it's harder.
Everything you want and think about. No one got your back all the way.
That was good. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video go. Oh, okay. Hi guys, and welcome back.